already set up for you. We have a third scenario where you need to find a least common multiple. Because if you look at our coefficients of x, we have 2 and 5. Well, those aren't going to drop out if we add or subtract. If you look at our y coefficients, we have 3 and 4. Those aren't going to drop out if we add or subtract. So we need to find a least common multiple. In other words, we need to find the smallest number that both coefficients divide into, and it's just up to you. You can decide which term you want to get rid of, either the x term or the y term. In this instance, I'm going to choose to get rid of the x term. So I need to think to myself, what's the smallest number that both 2 and 5 divide evenly into? That would be 10. 10 is the least common multiple. So how do I get 2x to become 10x? We're going to multiply by 5. How do I get 5x to become 10x? We're going to multiply by 2. And again, you must multiply these factors to everything, not just the first term, to all the terms. Here we go. 5 times 2x gives us 10x. 5 times 3y gives us 15y. And 5 times 5 is 25. Here we have 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times 4y is 8y, and 2 times 16 is 32. We did our distribution, we did our multiplication, now we're all set. Now, we have the x terms both sharing the same coefficient of 10, but just like the previous problem, if we add, we get 20x. So that's not going to work. Instead of adding, we must make this subtraction, and you don't subtract just a 10x, you subtract the entire problem. So here we go. 10x, take away 10x, 0. That cancels. 15y, take away 8y, leaves us with 7y. And finally, 25, take away 32, brings us to negative 7. So now we have 7y equals negative 7. Dividing both sides by 7, you get y equals negative 1. That's your solution for y. Now we just need to get the x. Well, what do? You just take your y equals negative 1. Y becomes negative 1, and you either replace negative 1 into this y, or you replace negative 1 into that y, and you solve, and you'll get a solution for x. There you have it. Nothing too tough. Just, you have to have a plan, and just go through the motions. Hope you enjoyed. Good luck, and thank you very much.